Hello, I'm indeed super excited to welcome you all to another episode from Giftaseeds. And today we have something that is super cool and refreshing. Bottle gourd. Growing bottle gourd is such a wonderful experience and it's a popular fruiting vegetable grown by any home gardener. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Bottle gourd is a wonder plant loaded with healthfulness, and bottle gourds have high genetic variability. Personally, I love to grow bottle gourd every year in my backyard. It's unbelievable to know their diversity in size and shape. Can you imagine having more than 15 bottle gourd varieties? They can be huge, small and bottle shaped, slim, perfectly round, curved, crooked necked, elongated, long and cylindrical. In Tamil, we call them as Suraikai. Other than that, we have Chittu Surai, Kuduvai Surai, Kumba Surai, Neelkazhuthu Surai, Aaluyara Surai, Gundu Surai, and so on. And now, take a minute. Just think of yourself. If you have seen any of these bottle gourds before, do mention them in the comments below. Bottle gourds can be easily grown from seeds throughout the year. And what you're waiting for? Check out our description and get your own bottle gourd seeds from Giftaseeds. Once you get them, sow it directly in a small pit or in a seed starter. Seeds takes 5 to 7 days to sprout and germinate. Bottle gourd should be grown in open and sunny locations. Transplant the baby plant either in a big-sized pot or in a direct soil. Grow one plant per pot. Add good quality potting mix before planting them. Make sure you add a balanced manure every 4 to 6 weeks. Top dress the plant with a thick layer of dry leaves as a mulch. Bottle gourd plants requires proper watering, and strong trellis support should be built for the climbers to grow. Usually, many gardeners let them trail on the ground or allow it to climb on poles or roof of their house. After 40 to 45 days, they start to bloom. Bottle gourds have both male and female flowers. More importantly, these beautiful white flowers blooms only during the night and they fall off by mid-morning. You can easily identify a female flower from the male one, where the female flowers have a small bottle gourd shape below the bloom. Main vines produce male flowers in the beginning and we get female flowers in the side vines. Generally, pollination takes place naturally by bees and night flies. If not, we can also go with hand pollination. The harvesting season begins after 2 to 3 months of seed sowing and it continues for about 6 to 8 weeks. Bottle gourd is an excellent soft vegetable where both sweet and spicy dishes can be cooked. It is a nutrient-rich powerhouse that could be your golden ticket for better health. Whether you're striving for weight loss, better digestion, heart health, or stronger hair and clear skin, bottle gourd might be that one superfood you have been missing so far. I have someone very special to be introduced here who made this journey with bottle gourd a magical one. Charlie.
என்னடா பண்றடே பையா?
After 2 to 3 months of patience and hard work, my baby bottle gourds have turned to be her toy to play with. Good job, my girl. And finally, I have a question for you. Will you believe me if I say we can grow our own water bottle from a seed? Hope you got it right. Growing a homemade water bottle. I will make you feel amazed and get tempted to grow your own water bottle in our upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned with Giftaseeds. If there is any queries, feel free to mention them in the comments below. And yes,